Hello everyone, my name is Manmit Sneh and I work for IBM Storage Protect development team. In this video, we will talk about SP4VE VMDK support, which is been increased from 8 TB to 16 TB.
I will explain the problem we are solving and the proposed enhancement to increase SP4VE VMDK support from 8 TB to 16 TB. Today, IBM Storage Protect for virtual environment supports image level backup for individual VMDKs up to 8 TB. This limit can become a challenge for customers who are running larger enterprise workloads. Many modern virtual machines now contain larger disks for databases, analytics workloads, application repositories, file server, and consolidated workloads. In these cases, an individual VMDK can grow beyond 8 TB. When the VMDK size crosses the current 8 TB support boundary, the backup operation may fail, or the large disk may need to be explicitly excluded from the image level backup. This creates a problem for customers because the VM is no longer protected completely through normal backup workload. It also adds operational complexity. Administrator may need to manually identify large disks, exclude them, manage alternate protection methods, and handle restore planning separately. This increases backup administration effort and create a less consistent protection model for large virtual machines. So the problem we are solving is simple. Customer need SP4VE to support larger VMDKs without requiring exclusions. The enhancement is to increase the supported individual VMDK size from 8 TB to 16 TB. This gives customers a larger supported boundary, allows bigger virtual disks to be included in normal SP4VE image level backup flow. Now coming to the demo for the solution.
For quick demo, I can show you a VM which has VMDK size more than 16 TB. This particular VM, you can see its disk size is 16 TB, which is its VMDK size as well. We'll try to do backup with default settings of IBM Storage Protect virtual environments. You can see those options details here. Here you can see the by default VM max virtual disk is 8 and VM skip virtual disk is no. So, but if we'll try to trigger a backup with the default options, let's see what it gives. You can see the backup has been failed with this particular warning message. It says that virtual max disk size exceeds the current limit which we support. Now, since we started supporting the 16 TB VMDK size with the same architecture, so we'll just modify this particular option to 16 and keep this option saved. After saving this option, we'll try to re-trigger the backup with the same command. You can see snapshot has been taken in vCenter, and now the backup has been triggered using IBM Storage Protect virtual environments. And as you can see, the snapshot creation is triggered here, and after this snapshot is taken, this snapshot will be backed up. So this particular you can see backup has been triggered. So for time constraint, we have a 16 TB disk. It will take little time to back up. We have already backed up the 16 TB disk, and which we used to mount using recovery agent. So disk which has been backed up in IBM Storage Protect server is been backed up using recovery agent. This particular recovery agent details you can see here, and also you can see in disk management. You can see this particular 16 TB disk has been mounted using recovery agent as E drive. You can see this particular disk is online and it is in E drive. So if you go here and check the E drive, we should have all the files which has been backed up into IBM Storage Protect server. So you can see these two files are here. These two files has been backed up. These two folders and all these files are here. All these size is summarized to 16 TB. You can see those details here as well. You can see the size, it's 16 TB, almost around 16 TB. So for this quick demo, this was what we wanted to show.
As shown in the demo, the backup architecture is not being changed. The flow of SP4VE is still the same. The boundary processing for VMDK, that is the changed part in this particular feature. The options which were used for the max disk is still the same. Thank you for watching this video. For more queries, please contact IBM support.